For this tutorial on how to make the intestine dress worn by Melanie Martinez, the materials you will need. You will need pink felt, a lot of it. You'll need a pair of scissors, a sewing machine if you have one. You can also hand sew the fabric, but it will take forever. You will also need a pink corset and a pencil. Start by laying out your pink felt and start tracing out long noodles on one side. Make sure that the felt is folded to two pieces because you're going to be making the noodles out of the two pieces. Repeat this pattern for as many as you can make with your felt. I was able to make 6 noodles with this felt, and now I'm going to pin them down and cut them out. After you have them all cut out and pinned down, it is time to sew. Our power is out, so I can't use my sewing machine right now, but follow for part 2 for my intestine dress tutorial.